Today I'm making salsa de aguacate. I'm going to start off by chopping both ends of an onion. Then I'm going to be chopping it up into a fourth. Alright, today I'm going to be using 5 tomatillos, 6 Serrano Chiles, a fourth of an onion, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, 2 tablespoons of ground pepper, 7 garlic cloves, a fourth of a cup of white vinegar, and a half a cup of water. Alright, we're going to be placing in all of our veggies into our pot and boiling it for about 10 minutes. I'm going to be using a half a bushel of cilantro. I'm going to be doing a rough chop and then placing it into my blender. Once all the veggies are boiled, I'm going to be placing it into the blender. Alright, like I said previously, I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of ground pepper and 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. I'm also going to be using a whole avocado. This is going to be giving the salsa a creamy texture. There you have it, guys, an avocado salsa. I really hope you guys try this at home. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Thank you very much again for joining me for another video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
That's all for now from Will's Blazing BBQ Kitchen. BBQ so good, make you wanna slap your papa.